Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Today I got a little surprise in the mail. Well, actually not today, it was 2 days ago. Something I wasn't really expecting came in. It is, I believe, the Walmart fall box. I didn't get any emails about this or, telling me that it was coming soon, However, this is a $5 a month or $5 a season. I'm sorry, $5 a season box. And technically you only pay for shipping. I do enjoy this box. Generally, there are some really, really good things in this box. It has never let me down, really. I use a lot of the things to travel with. It gives you like, travel size shampoos and toothpaste and stuff like that. I've gotten a face mask, I believe, out of here before. But anyway, so it's just Walmart beauty box, plain, with their little symbol on the front here. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys are interested, all you have to do is go onto Walmart's site, type in beauty box, and then you just put your credit card in and they send you 4 boxes a year for $5. You really can't beat that. It's a really good deal. Sort of like the Target boxes, but these are a subscription. Things are falling out. All right, so when I open it up, this is what I see. Okay, so if it's saying sunshine, you would think that would be summer. All right, so it says, hello, sunshine. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/tp/shop-beauty-box. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. So that's that. And then it is wrapped in tissue paper. And you open it up, and that's what's in there. Like I said, I don't know what season this is since it's saying sunshine. You would think summer, but I'm pretty sure I got my summer box. I'm positive I got my summer box. Summer's almost over, so why would they send you a box for it? Has to be the fall box. Anyway, guys, so the first thing I'm pulling out is something that I have received before. I'm not very fond of this. My mom likes this stuff, so I'll end up probably giving this to her or either putting it away for a giveaway if somebody says that they want this. It is the Maybelline Great Lash travel size. I just don't like the wand to this, and to me it flakes, so it's not really my favorite thing, but that's okay. It's a $5 box. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out, wow, is, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but it's ROC, R-O-C, Retinol Correction Eye Cream. Visibly reduces wrinkles around the eyes, crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness. And that is what that looks like. And that is 0.5 fluid ounces. So let's see how big it actually is when you open it up. This is pretty awesome to come in a $5 box. And that's a pretty good size for an eye cream, you guys. So there is that. That's really nice. Is it sealed more? No. Let's see how thick it actually is. So it comes like that, and it is full, definitely full. Okay, so it's not as thick as like a normal eye cream, which I wouldn't expect it to be from a drugstore brand like that. It is kind of thin, but anyway, it's nice. Doesn't really have much of a smell to it, so I mean, I will give it a try. The next thing I am pulling out, pretty awesome, I must say. This is from Blistex, and we're all going to need this come winter time. This is Conditioning Lip Serum. 1 drop deeply conditions. Okay, I've never seen this before, ever. Let me know if you guys have seen this, if it's a new product or whatever. All right, this says this ultra-rich daily use formula soaks in to thoroughly moisturize and completely revitalize lips. Okay, dose control pump. Dispenses just the right amount to soften the lips with 1 drop. Advanced serum formula. It says it deeply conditions with a unique nutrient and vitamin E complex to leave lips looking healthy and feeling silky. And then it says Blistex conditioning lip serum helps restore and maintain great feeling, great looking lips. I'm intrigued, absolutely intrigued on this. Let's see. This is a really nice size. This probably here is worth more than the box. I mean, think about it. The Blistex products that come out now are pretty expensive, so this probably is more than $5. So getting your money's worth right there. Let's throw that. So there we go. There is the product. Very nice size. Does it say? And I already threw. Okay, 0.30 ounces. Okay, it's got a pump there. And let's see. I'm like truly like intrigued. Wow. Okay, so it does come out just enough for, you know, what you need it for. I can't tell if it has a smell because that's not a lot. And I just put it right on top of the other stuff. So let's do that here. All right, so there's a big glob of it. It has a smell, but it's very faint. It's very thick. It is definitely balm consistency, but in a liquid. I don't know how to explain that. That's so weird. Wow, I don't know. I don't know my thoughts on this. If you guys have ever tried this or used it or heard about it, please let me know in the comments. Kind of intrigued. I definitely will be giving that a shot. Okay, the next thing in my box is I don't know. You guys know I don't know how to talk. This is a razor, and it has 3 flexible blades. Helps protect skins from nicks and cuts. I don't use these, but I will definitely give it a shot. I use the, gosh, it starts with an I. Of course, when you're put on the spot, has a little soap around it.
Editing me here. It's the
how can I not think of it?
Intuition
I use
razor.
it every
Sorry,
week. Well,
sometimes I
would say
can't
every day,
think.
but I don't use it every day. That's a lie. I don't know. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. It has a little soap that goes around the razor, so you don't have to use shaving cream or any of that stuff. Well, if I think about it before the video ends, I'll let you know. So the next thing is a foil packet of Nivea aloe vera lotion. I say I use these and I say I will, but I have a whole box of these things. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Maybe eventually I will send like just a mystery giveaway on where I just do something small like this and send it out to you guys, where I have a bunch of like foil packets that I've gotten, you know, over the time beings or whatever, and send it out to you guys. So I'll save that for that. I normally, like I said, would say, oh, I'll use that, but I never do. Okay, then next thing is from Biore, and it is Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. And this is one nose strip. I do use these strips. Not this particular one. I haven't had the Witch Hazel one. I can't really get to it. It's down there. But I do have the pink ones, and I think the charcoal ones of these. So this is awesome. Definitely give this a shot, maybe even tonight. It has a picture of what it looks like on the back. Very easy to use, and they do work. I like these. All right, so I think that's it in the box. So we just have, now we have some like flyers. So here's the Biore flyer, the Blistex lip serum one, the razor one, and the rock one. And that is the end of the box. So let me know what you guys think. Let's do a little recap here. So we have this interesting Blistex. I'm sorry, my hair's in my face. Interesting Blistex lip serum. We have the Maybelline Travel, and if you like this stuff, that's great. That's an awesome product to get in this box, and it is in black, I believe. Yes, very black. We have the Biore. We have a foil packet of lotion. We have an eye cream. We have the razor. So for $5, which is just shipping, really, what do you think of this box? Does it intrigue you? Do you guys want to get it? Is it something that you would consider, especially being only $5? I absolutely love it. No, I didn't get any travel size shampoos this time around, but that's okay because I have a whole box full of them, and I'm sure the Target box will have some, as they always do. So anyway, guys, thank you for coming. Don't forget to leave me a comment and like and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell for me because I am starting to be more consistent with my uploads. I've started a journal, and I am working on making my YouTube channel a little bit bigger than what it is. So thank you guys so much that have already been here and continue to support me. My love is for you always, and thank you so much. Other than that, guys, stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you then. Have a fantastic day. Bye.